Okay, let's go. Morning Jamie, morning Ethan, morning K-Man. How are you guys doing? I trust you boys are doing well. As I mentioned, I'm still a little bit sick, so it's not going to be a terribly long stream. Not feeling the best, but I will give you the value that you want. Okay, so on the dollar index, we've had our change of character yesterday. Nice bullish break. So now we are waiting for a retracement into this order block down here. That's exactly where I would look for longs from, because that is the candle that caused our change of character. So if we're looking for longs on the dollar index, we're looking for shorts on Euro USD, yeah? Yeah boys, how you guys doing? Let's have a little chat. Okay, so let's have a look here. We've left some inducement above this demand. We have reacted to the top of this piece of structure here. Yeah, so we just touched that structure. That also falls perfectly in these buys to sells here, if you look at this. Okay, so what are we waiting for on Euro USD? Either a tap into our demand or a retracement into the supply. What I would do is I would treat this as equal lows, but if you go on the 15 minute, you can see there was a liquidity spike. Liquidity was taken here. So if you see here, this low was swept, and that sweep caused a break of structure on the 15 minutes up here. The 15-minute swing was broken, which indicates price wants to go higher. But let's have a look. I still think price will tap into this 4-hour demand down here, because from this demand you can see the momentum straight out of there. Even this one's quite strong, but let's monitor the reaction out of this first one. Okay, GBP USD. Okay, this demand down here, I was monitoring price action when it hit in that demand. Entry was provided, but I wouldn't take the entry because I would want this low to be broken first, because you have to find entry in a demand. It has to be the lowest piece of price action. In a supply, it has to be the highest piece of price action. So always wait for it to liquidate any high before looking for any trades. Okay, so let's have a look here. GBP USD. This is all just ranging, because our whole range is this bit here. So this is our whole trading range. This high didn't break the low, so this is all still internal structure. This low didn't break this high, and so on and so forth. So this is all just still internal structure. You can see this high is still intact here. This low is still intact here. So we're literally just ranging at the moment. Ideally, we would like to wait for something to break. Let's look on the 1 hour if there's anything clearer. We didn't get any pullbacks here. This is our last pullback. We got a 1 hour change of character out here. Yeah, let's monitor what happens with this supply. I know this supply doesn't have any confluences, but based on the dollar index, we know price wants to move down. Okay, because the dollar index is giving us clearer price action, and that will reflect on our pairs. So we're looking for shorts on GBP USD from most likely this supply here. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit snotty, I'm really sick. GJ, okay, so we busted through this supply, and we're now sitting in this supply. We've taken out the inducement. Let's have a see if entry was given. Okay, so 22 pips was broken. Came and fetched us. Okay, so this would have given a trade this morning at like 3 o'clock. I was awake at 3. Okay, so are you break even yet? 26 pips, you would be break even on this position, just waiting to see what happens. But I would hold this. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I would hold it till this last piece of structure here. So that'll give you a clean 12 hour. If you didn't get into this trade and you'd like to get into another trade, go into the 1 hour and we look for a change of character on the 1 hour. That's the only real pullback I can see. I would wait for a break of this low. Once this low breaks, you can look for shorts, because we got shorts in favor on GJ. Because the reaction out of this supply last time was quite aggressive. And momentum is clearly on the short side, because if you had a look at this structure here, if we measure it from this high here to this low, took how many bars? It was 13 bars. From this low to where the previous high was is 39 bars. So it took 3 times as long to retrace. So momentum is clearly in downside's favor, in the bear's favor, right? Okay. If you didn't get into this position, wait for the 1 hour change of character and enter a continuation trade from there. Gold, beautiful. Okay, so we did get the reaction we were wanting from this demand we marked up yesterday. Let's see if it gave us a entry. Okay, so price came in, liquidated on the 3 minute twice, broke here, it's inside bar here, hey, 12 pipperoos, and we'd be smiling. Okay, let's go 30 minutes. Okay, so you'd be currently up about 9R or so. But entry was produced, quite a nice entry. If we did not get into that, we will take a continuation trade. If we do break this, remember we've got this up here, we would like to see a break of this high and then longs. Yeah. So let's see what price action produces there. But I would like to see, we are also in a supply here, don't forget that. So if this structure does not break up here, this is then a strong high if it breaks this low. Let's see if entry was given in this supply. Okay, we got our liquidation. We got our range. Our range is 15, so we're going to trade a breakout. Okay, so that would have activated our trade as we speak. And we will be targeting lows. Here's a 10-hour trade on the table for us. Alright, let's put on the 1 hour and just see. So much imbalance, I think price would want to come back. Remember, we trade with structure. Currently, price is going down, so we're going to trade down. Price is in a beautiful supply, so we're going to use that supply. I know we're looking for longs from this demand, but if oh shit, this is a 30-minute, isn't it? Give me a second here. Yeah, so this is a 30-minute supply. Let me check on the 4-hour. Okay. This is a nice pullback on a lower time frame. I think if you see here, all imbalance has pretty much been filled in the market. There's no imbalance lying up here, so price has no reason to pop up. I think from here we'll see a negative reaction. I think we'll see bearish momentum from this supply, to be fair. I know it is a 30-minute, but if you see this little low here, I'll go into the 1 hour, I'll make it clearer. Okay, so this low was taken by this 30-minute order block that I've refined here, and I definitely think we'll see shorts. So let's see. Remember, if you do get into this position, 2R, go break even. Okay. Guys, any questions from this morning stream at all? Yeah. Okay, I think we're good to go, guys. Let's just quickly recap and see what we're looking at. Okay, EU, we're waiting for a reaction either from the supply or this demand. We need to see what price wants to do, but we need a reaction from one of those two price action points first. GBP USD, we are expecting shorts from the supply. Okay, that will be it for today, guys. I hope this live stream helped you guys this morning. I will get better and recover. Hopefully by like Thursday or Friday I'll be better, but I'm absolutely spent. I feels like dog's balls, bro. But thank you guys so much for making the time and joining me this morning. I will send my charts in the group for you guys if anything interesting pops up. Thank you for the messages, my brother. I really appreciate that. I will try to get better. I'll get some sleep in, get some good food and rest. I hope you guys have a good day. If you have any questions, I'll be on my phone available on Discord for you guys. Yeah, have a good day, guys. Sending you lots of love, and I will catch you guys on the Discord. Okay, but we'll test this thing together until we think it's ready to go. Let's quickly, yeah, we'll go head back on here. Take off my Asia range indicator. We're going to go find one. Asia range. India. Yeah, there we go. This is exactly the one that I'm using, right? So you're going to type in Asia range, and it's going to be this one here by IK Davis. It's got 14 downloads, users, whatever. Yeah, so you're going to type in Asia range. It's going to be the second one under the locked one. Yeah.